The Stinger Head Setter tool is a new device that we've developed to help ensure that you set your wash arms equally on both sides of the head. It has a bolt stop that slides in and out to allow the arm pitch to be set and locked in place. It also has a throat stop that allows you to have a fixed point when you clamp on so you accomplish the same depth on the head each time. A key point when using the head setter is to make sure that you have the jaw tension on your vice grips set very tight. You want to make sure that when you grip down that the jaw doesn't have any way to slip. Once you're jawed on good, you can use the set bolt backed in or out to adjust the arm pitch. You can walk it from a 0 setting all the way up to a 90-degree pitch. We know our factory setting is generally located right off the corner of the wash block. So we're going to rock this thing back around. You'll notice where we're pointing here. And if you'll watch us turn the bolt, we'll come past that, what will be the equivalent of 2 to 3 millimeters. If we're not there, we adjust a little bit more. And then we turn around and hit our set screw to lock the arm in place. With the wash arm loose, you'll want to take a 3/8 wrench and pivot freely the wash arm until it hits the stop. At that point, you're prepared to take your 3/8 wrench and cinch down on the banjo bolt. Repeat this process on the other side of the head, and now you're ready to test. If your initial test resulted in a 0 spin or a very low RPM, you can easily come in and readjust the head. A quick tip is to flip the vice grips upside down, moving the stop out of the way. This gets you access to the banjo bolts and allows you to easily move around the head. The key to dialing in your speed is being patient. Make small incremental adjustments. Remember, a couple of turns on the bolt can result in 2 and 3 millimeter jumps at a time, so take it slow. A quick note to add is you will need a much more aggressive setting when using low volume and low PSI units, as these are the two things that cause the head to rotate and spin. Follow the same process as before, using small increments when adjusting, and soon you'll find the ultimate setting to maximize your cleaning efficiency.